If you were looking for stars in the sky, you would look for this shape, but I'll have you know that Capricornus is one of the most faintest constellations. Capricornus is visible in both northern and southern hemispheres. In the northern hemisphere, Capricornus can be seen from July to November. These are the star names and what type of star they are. Algidii Prima, yellow supergiant. Secunda Giddii, yellow giant star. Debye has no info on, just the name. Nashira, blue giant star. Deneb, blue giant. Alshat, blue giant. Here is a fact on what is the closest and farthest star inside my constellation is from the sun. The closest being 39 light years distant from the sun, which is Deneb, and it's a little information we have on it, and Algidii being 690 light years from the sun. A lot of constellations have stories or backgrounds on how they were found or named. This is Capricornus's. In 2015 in Africa, disease and starvation was at its worst. Thousands of people were dying every day. They prayed for good health and food. One day, near the African Sea, a local farmer saw a goat walk out of the ocean. He ran to the goat and picked it up confused. With confusion, he brought the goat back to his farm. This farmer's son was very sick with a disease that broke out. One day, on his farm, he noticed that the goat never stopped giving out goat's milk, so he could make unlimited cheese. He gave the cheese to his family one night for dinner. The next day, he noticed that the goat cheese had healed his son in the morning. His son was playing with his friends outside and was perfectly fine. He shared this information with the village, and the goat was praised. Everyone was eating the goat's cheese, and everyone was praising the goat and happy. The boy that had been healed said his first words. He said Capricornus. He said that to the goat, and that was his first words. So that's why the goat was named Capricornus. After months of the goat being used for its cheese and healing the people in the village, it finally passed away. This saddened the people of the village, and one night the farmer that found the goat looked up in the sky on his farm and noticed that he saw the goat looking over the village at the night for their safety, and he knew that this was Capricornus.